What is the value of 4 plus 32 divided by open parentheses 5 minus 3, close parentheses, times 2 to the third power? This problem features two major traps that trip up thousands of students. Trap number 1, adding 4 and 32 first to get 36, leading to an incorrect answer of 144. Trap number 2, handling parentheses and exponents correctly, but then multiplying 2 by 8 to get 16 before dividing, leading to an incorrect answer of 6. To solve this problem properly, we must strictly follow the PEMDAS hierarchy. P is for parentheses, always simplify inside grouping symbols first. E is for exponents, evaluate powers next. M and D, multiplication and division, share equal priority and must be evaluated strictly from left to right. Finally, A and S, addition and subtraction, they also share equal priority and are evaluated from left to right at the very end. Let's solve 4 plus 32 divided by 5 minus 3 times 2 to the third power, step by step. Step 1. Handle parentheses first. 5 minus 3 equals 2, giving us 4 plus 32 divided by 2 times 2 to the third power. Step 2. Evaluate exponents. 2 to the third power equals 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. Now we have 4 plus 32 divided by 2 times 8. Step 3. Division and multiplication take priority over addition. Move left to right. Division comes first on the left. 32 divided by 2 equals 16. This gives us 4 plus 16 times 8. Step 4. Multiply next. 16 times 8 equals 128. Step 5. Finally, add 4 plus 128 to get 132. The correct answer is 132.